Recorded as the worst storm the world has seen this year, with Category 5 super typhoon winds exceeding 170 miles per hour, Typhoon Haiyan has left 44 provinces in the Philippines submerged in flood and millions of families homeless. A recent report from the National Disaster Risk Reduction and Management Council has confirmed 5,500 deaths, 26,000 injured, and 1,600 missing. The affected population has reached 2.5 million families in 44 provinces in 9 regions. Habitat for Humanity Philippines is raising funds to provide cleaning kits to 50,000 families, shelter repair kits to 30,000 families, and 10,000 core houses. A shelter repair kit is good for one family and can fix a heavily damaged house. Thanks to our sponsors, 100% of the proceeds will be contributed. Please join us on Friday, December 13th at the Thrive Showroom, 8110 Beverly Boulevard, from 7:30 to 9:30 p.m. to support the cause. Even if you can't make it to the event, you can still help. You can donate as little as 11 cents. Please give as much or as little as you can. Every dollar adds up and will make a difference.